In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning virtual assistant portfolio website using Canva in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to make a great impression as a virtual assistant, having a polished portfolio is key, and Canva makes it easy and accessible even if you're not a professional designer. So let's get started. First, head over to Canva's website and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, move to the search bar at the top of the page. Here you'll type in portfolio. This simple search will instantly give you access to a wide range of portfolio templates. Canva's vast library is incredibly helpful because it offers a multitude of designs tailored for various styles and needs. Browse through these options and select a template that resonates with your personal brand and the image you want to convey to potential clients. Once you've found a template you like, click on the Customize this template button to start the design process. This opens up the template in Canva's design editor, where you can begin to truly make it your own. The primary advantage of Canva's templates is their flexibility. You can rearrange elements, change colors, fonts, and much more to align with your branding. Now it's time to edit the text. Double-click on the text boxes within the template to replace the placeholder content with your own. This is where you can add your name, your professional title, a brief introduction, and other key information such as skills, services you offer, and contact details. Clear, concise language is best here since you want to ensure your message is easily understood at a glance. Next, you'll likely want to change the images to better reflect your work and aesthetic. Click on an existing image to bring up editing options. Use the Uploads tab to upload the images you want to use. Simply click Upload, then Upload Files, and you can drag and drop your chosen image files onto the page. Canva will effortlessly integrate them into the template for you. Personalizing the images not only makes your portfolio more authentic, but also showcases your unique style and capabilities as a virtual assistant. And there you have it, a stunning, fully customized virtual assistant portfolio website ready to impress potential clients. This process demonstrates how easy it is to leverage Canva's user-friendly platform for creating professional, eye-catching designs that effectively highlight your skills and experience. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can publish the portfolio online, share it directly with potential clients, or even download it for your records. Keep your portfolio updated with your latest achievements and insights to maintain a fresh and engaging professional image. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.